Okay, this is the problem. The Insta360 Go 360S comes with mounts, but they are garbage. They snap apart. Worthless, made in China stuff. To be expected. So I need to find a way to mount it to my hat. So that's what I'm going to work on. So we are going to try to get this done with these screws here. They're the smallest ones I could find at Home Depot. 8-32 TPI 3/8 inch. Whatever that is. Anyhow, they're tiny. We'll try to install them in this hat. I don't know if it'll work. So I just kind of eyeballed the size of the threads there. And that drill bit is pretty close. It should work. We'll see if you can actually drill through a hat. And I did find a way to do it. And it does go in a down position enough now. It'll just go right to there. I hope that works. If that doesn't work, we're gonna have to get more interesting. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'll do. But yeah, the camera will go right in there. And that's how the hat will work. There's the underside of it. And there's the top side. And a simple drill bit went right through the hat material.